Hello, long time no see. Today we are going to upgrade this car. Please follow the video together. Firstly, unscrew this fixing screw and then remove the cigarette lighter panel. Then we'll remove the plastic panel of the dashboard. Remove its air outlet panel again. Now let's unscrew the screws that secure the original car's main unit. This one at the bottom is quite special and you need to see where I'm screwing it. Then unscrew the two screws on top. Okay, now we have disassembled the original car's main unit, which is very tight due to the buckle. Everyone should pay attention to the strings. Unplug all the plugs on its back as well. Note that the white buckle can be removed and installed onto the Android radio during installation, which will be more stable. Now we will disassemble and install the original car emergency button onto the Android radio. Now start connecting the cables. This is the GPS antenna. These two are network antennas. This is a video input cable. This is a USB transmission cable. This is an RCA audio cable. Then connect the radio antenna and power plug. Now we are connecting the original car radio plug. Then connect the original car power plug. Reconnect the emergency light plug again. After all connections are completed, install the Android radio onto it. Then restore the cigarette lighter panel again. Similarly, restoring the air outlet to the dashboard panel completes the installation. This car has a lot of interesting features, supporting local or online music. Support DSP audio adjustment. Support automatic search for local radio stations on the radio. Support local or online video viewing. Support offline or online maps. Supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Carplay or Android Auto function from your phone. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for your watching.